Hello!
Hi there, how can I help you today?
I'm just browsing, but I'm looking for some fresh fruits and vegetables.
Sure thing, we have a variety of fruits and vegetables. What are you specifically looking for?
I'd like some apples, oranges, and a bunch of bananas, please.
No problem. How many apples, oranges, and bananas would you like?
Let's start with 6 apples, 4 oranges, and a dozen bananas.
Got it. Here's a bag for your fruits. Anything else?
Yes, do you have any tomatoes?
Yes, we do. How many tomatoes would you like?
I'll take 4 tomatoes, please.
Here you go. Is there anything else you need today?
That's all for now, thank you.
All right, your total is $12.5. How would you like to pay?
I'll pay with cash. Here's $15.
Thank you. Here's your change of $2.5. Enjoy your fruits.
Thanks, have a great day.